everyone. So it's another day for another vlog. Mo pa yung aga maayong buntag. I forgot to say that. I should get used to that now. But anyways, today's another day. So I want to try out another type of vlogging because I know I've been vlogging with the simple shots. So I'm gonna try a different one, which is right now, I'm gonna be going out with my boyfriend, Mark. So, he's working around or until like half 12. Half day lang siya ngayon. And he decided that we go out since it's another lovely weather outside. I'm still day off. And I'm sure you've watched my past video on what I do on my day off. It's not consistent, guys. I don't usually do things like that. However, I feel like the need to go out most of the time because it's really hot here in my room. I did explain that on the other video. If you haven't watched that, please do click it here. So while waiting for Mark, we're going to watch some YouTube videos. I follow the Juicy Vlog. If you haven't watched them, they're a British couple who vlogs in the Philippines right now, and they were making it happen. I did send them a video before. I think they were just still trying to reach around 10,000 subscribers before, but they're near 200,000 right now. Please do follow their vlogs. So this is a message that I sent them, and they actually inspired me to do what I initially love to do, which is just upload anything under the sun. So I just wanna relax first from any nursing videos, but I think I will upload another one next week. But for now, I just wanna enjoy my day off. So let's watch their videos first while waiting. Okay, pause first, guys. So the reason why I love watching them is that they get good shots of the Philippines. They show what country the Philippines is, how good it is for vacations, and I honestly envy them because of that. That's why I'm really, really excited to go home this year. So Mark is here. I don't know where he's bringing me, but I'm just excited to go out. So we have decided we're going to Blythe. Maraming sea houses dun. I've been there a couple of times now, and I'm just gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so we've arrived here in Coastline by the Blythe Beach. Nakailang kain na rin kami dito ng Mark, and we decided to just eat some fish and chips, and then I'll show you the beach. Good morning everyone. So I just finished my night shift, and aside from that news, the weather in Newcastle has also changed. Let me show you. Mark and I decided to have some breakfast. So, nag-coffee lang kami. And then, I think we ordered salmon and eggs and super scrambled eggs. So, I'll show you later. How are you guys? The weather here in Newcastle, as I've said, is gloomy again. It's raining. So, hopefully, the sun will show up next week when I'm on my off. I just have a day off and then night shift again tomorrow. Had our breakfast and you saw how gloomy Newcastle is right now, but since I'm from night shift, I feel like I wanna get some rest first. I hope you like this video, and I'm sorry if my editing skills is still a bit poor. I'm working on it, and I hope you stay with me so that together we can see how we progress from doing these vlogs. If you like this video, please do